Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be trying on this Amazon wig, but before we continue, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and all that good stuff, guys. All right, so to start off, this is how I am wearing my hair, my natural hair. I just have it, I don't know what I have it in, but in a bun of some sort, okay? And then I'm just gonna wet my hair in front, okay? And I want to have like a sleek, I want my edges to be sleek, okay? No, I'm not doing no baby hairs, but I just want it to be sleek. So first I have to wet the front, and then I'm gonna be using this jam, okay? You can use any product that works for you. You can use gel, you can use jam, you can use basically anything that works for you, but I'm gonna be using this jam because I like that it doesn't leave any white stuff in my hair. But I'm not using this for like a hold, so because this jam does not give me hold, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that, my edges and stuff, and I'll use a brush to brush it out and have like a smooth, sleek look, okay? And yeah, because like I said, I don't mind using a jam because I don't want my hair to be like hold and like, almost like frozen. I hate that feeling. So this jam is literally perfect for this, okay? For my hair, it's perfect for this. All right, we're gonna give it a little brush, okay? And and this is how it's looking, just a little nice and sleek look going on, okay? Nothing extra. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig cap, and this is how my edges are looking. So the hair that I'll be using is from Amazon. I'll leave all the information about the hair in the description box, okay? But this is how it looks like out of the box. Okay, it's lovely. It's 1B natural color. I love it. It's simple. It has like simple curls going on. So it came with these two headbands that they randomly gave me, and then I just wanted to show you it comes with the headband because it's a headband wig. Duh. But this is how it looks. It has a velcro that you just snap together, and it's long enough for you to kind of adjust according to how big or small your head is, okay? So we're just gonna throw that on, okay? And this is what I love about headband wigs, like you just get up and go. Oh, and then it has like 3 combs in front. I forgot to show you the other 2, but it has 3 combs that you can put, but I don't use those. I'm just gonna put it on my my head. I'm gonna put on my head, make sure it fits nicely, and then snap it at the back, okay? Make sure it fits your head nicely, and then you just snap it in the back. Don't make it too tight. You don't want to get no headaches, okay? And this is what it looks like. She is cute. She's simple, but she's cute. So I'm just going to play around with it. I feel like I didn't really need to do much with the curls. So I just kind of like went through it with my fingers, but it didn't do much. And yeah, the only thing I'll say is it's not as full as I was expecting it to be. I definitely like the length because that's what I was going for. I wanted something nice and simple, and I feel like, it would be nice for like, just a simple look. I didn't want it to be too extra, like everyday type of look, office look. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing extra. Anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the makeup and all that stuff, and we are back, okay? This is what it looks like. Like I said, it's nice and simple, and I really like that about it. I was actually going for that look. The only thing is I wish it was a little bit too full, a little bit fuller than it is, but I'm still fine with it. I'm not complaining at all. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try on the headbands that it comes with. So the first one is this one. Okay, and she's cute. It depends obviously on what outfit you're wearing, but I just have on black, so it doesn't really need to be anything special. Okay, so I like that. Okay, what do you guys think? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try the next one. My earring fell when I was doing this, so I just left it out for now. But yeah, this is the other one. I think I like this one better than the other one. You know. On this day I was going somewhere, so I ended up using this one because I feel like I like this one better. Ouch. Okay, this hurt, okay? But I think I like this one better. I ended up just taking out my earrings until I was done, doing my thing. But I like this one better, and it came with a different wig that I bought on Amazon as well. Like I say, guys, I'll put everything in the description box, so you guys, you need to check it out, okay? But let me know which of the headband wigs you guys like. But I do like the red one the most, and it didn't come with this package, but I felt like it went with the look that I had on this particular day. All right, this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. All right, give this video a big thumbs up below and show me some love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.